bunnies of grade 3 here to present this morning's assembly. The theme for our assembly is Embracing Challenges Together. Let's shine. Prayer. Dear God, we come together today, united in our diversity, with hearts full of hope and spirits that aspire. Help us to shine individually and collectively, reflecting your love and guidance. As we stand together, may our difference fade and our shared common humility be the beacon we display. May our words be uplifting and our actions be kind. Together we shine brighter than alone. A radiant community, a love made known. Amen. A reading from the Holy Bible, Matthew 5 verses 60. Let your light shine before others that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. The word of the Lord. Thank you, Lord. God is bigger than anything. Bigger than a mouse, bigger than a house, bigger than a plane, bigger than a train, bigger than my body. Anything is fluffy. God is bigger, big, big, bigger. I might be small, but my God is big. I might be small, but my God is big. I might be small, but my God is big. So much bigger. God is bigger than anything. I might be small, but my God is big. I might be small, but my God is big. I might be small, but my God is big. My God is bigger. So much bigger. God is bigger than anything. Embracing challenges is the key to unlocking your potential. You don't grow when you're comfortable, you grow in your challenge. Alone we sparkle, together we shine. Our diversity is our strength.
Life begins at the end of your comfort zone.
Unity is the power that ignites our collective life. This change is built to overcome adversity. Thank you. Here's a short skit based on a theme. Once there was a mother and her child who wanted to ride a scooter.
Mama, I want to ride a bike.
It's great, Leela, but it might take some practice.
I will do it, Mama. I never learn.
Don't give up, Leela. Every fall is a chance to learn.
Okay. Mama, I'm balancing.
You did it, Leela. I'm so proud of you.
I did it, Mama. I did it. Embracing challenges and persevering through difficulties help us achieve our goal. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Nanette of Standard 3, here to talk about power of unity, collaboration and collective brilliance. Together we shine. We are stronger, brighter and more resilient when we stand together. Each of us brings unique talents, ideas, and experiences to the table. When we combine our strengths, we create something extraordinary. We become an unstoppable force capable of achieving greatness. Together, we can inspire and motivate, support each other's dreams, overcome obstacles, learn from your friends, celebrate success. We are the links that form an unbreakable chain. We are the stars that shine brightly with innovation, compassion, and kindness. Remember, when we shine together, we bright up the world. So let us all sparkle, shine, and make a difference together. We shine. Thank you.